You must strive to serve Pakistan and its people to the best of your ability. This should be your primary focus throughout your careers. You must be responsive towards the community members. Council services being provided by the Foreign Office here and abroad through our missions are a critical function. Let's not forget, our diaspora abroad is not just very talented, they are contributing to Pakistan's economic development. And look at the remittances that they are transmitting. Hard-earned money. So they're very, very valuable Pakistanis. Do look after them. The government of Pakistan is committed to giving due esteem to overseas Pakistanis and serving them wholeheartedly. Secondly, you should be willing to work hard and be eager to learn. Every small task, be it in the administration side or at the political desk, will teach you something. Educate yourselves. Read, write, analyze. Do not restrict yourselves to the files on your desk. Try to put your education and training to good use in the selfless service of the country. As I said earlier, no task is insignificant. Always keep your chin up and do not lose motivation. Be innovative and think outside the box. Amidst resource constraints, we are going through resource constraints and we will be in that challenging situation for some years to come. So think how to optimally utilize the resources available.